Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, App Tutorial. So today in this video I'm gonna be showing you guys how you can hide A's on Yubo. So I'm gonna be teaching you a very easy step regarding this one. So if you have any problem or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. Now without any further delay, let's just get started. So firstly, what you need to do is you need to go to your profile icon on your top right corner. Then you're gonna find the same location. You're gonna find the settings item. Just go over here, and now just scroll a bit down until you find this swipe settings. Just go over here and just have this toggled on. So what it will do, it will not show your profile like menus, let's say profiles option, or let's say the items on your profile, let's say the A's, your location and all. So you can hide your A's like this on Yubo. So that's pretty much guys, that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe guys. Thank you for watching.